Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
You have made your debut with a wonderful talk show where you are very informal and you make us envy our job.
Arre.
You are doing our job.
You're a pioneer, you're a senior.
And now
हाँ,
you are making your debut with a fictional web series.
हाँ.
How different is it for you because you have been acting in films also? And
Yeah, it's not really different, you know. The kind of standards that you look in films, they're being followed here. So you need a script, you need actors, you need a camera, you need a director, you need a good production design, you need everything. You need the same stuff that is going to be made over here. Maybe the storytelling style and the content differs on different platforms. Like on television, it requires it to be different. Maybe if you're doing a play, it's different. But when you're doing something on a digital platform, it's different. So that's about it. But the kind of standards or the kind of work that you want is pretty much the same. You're just going from one set to the other. That's it. कुछ अलग नहीं, इतना बहुत कुछ अलग नहीं करना पड़ता है कि बस अपना काम करो, कैरेक्टर में चले जाओ and work and do it effectively. That's about it. Oh, वो चीजें अलग हैं. वो you're right. वाजा कुछ ऐसी भी फिल्में की हैं जो एकदम टीवी सीरियल जैसी बनी है. ऐसा भी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनमें कुछ 14 घंटे का काम नहीं हुआ. ऐसा भी होता है. वो सिर्फ संजय लीला बंसाली की फिल्म में होता है जहाँ 1 या 2 शॉट होते हैं पूरे दिन के अंदर. बाकी सारी फिल्मों में आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, पर काफी काम करना पड़ता है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट संजय लीला भाई डज ग्रेट फिल्म्स, बट इट्स ग्रेट टू वर्क विद हिम कि भैया आराम से मजे से काम करो. But everywhere else, you got kind of a dictate of how much scenes you need to do in a day because there are budget constraints. Maybe on television or on digital platform, you have to do a little more because उनके budgets या उनके जो requirements से थोड़े ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो minimum 12-12 घंटे का काम होता है. And I want to ask तनुज कि उसने कितने घंटे काम किया है क्योंकि और फ्रेडी ने, क्योंकि हम सब ने 12-12 घंटा काम किया, पर वो अभी वो रिक्वायरमेंट है. दैट इज यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू फिनिश द वर्क अनलेस यू डू दैट.
12 घंटा काम और उसके बाद 12 घंटा ओवर टाइम. फ्रेडी
किधर गए हमारे सर? Okay, so I play this like a Goa drug lord called Antonio Varghese. On the face of it, he's like a suave businessman, maybe having some legit business, but behind he's got all these illegal businesses, and he's a very ruthless man who doesn't stop at getting whatever he wants in his life, no matter what he has to do for it. And that's what it is. And then he confronts these wonderful young men in his life, and how the story goes and how their interaction with my character is what the whole show is all about. I wouldn't disclose too much about it, but I would love if that was the case. It's not that. Is there? She's the one next to me. Is there? Was there? No, no, there wasn't.